So you see this right here? I usually show my dad what I'm doing, like with my projects, and I think I'm done doing that. Because I get he is like technical and stuff, and he's all about pragmatic, or like he's saying it doesn't look good and stuff on the back. I'll post a picture on here. But this was done with lead-free cheap solder wire. That's like for electrical uses. And so I used a cheapo Walmart soldering iron. So I'll show pictures. But I'm mainly doing this to make belly dance costumes. And it's like, I don't know about most people, but I don't really care what's going on in the back, when it comes to that. Like, this is the front doesn't look bad to me. That's to me, though. I would always take pictures of the back. It was like that with, when I was making, belly dance tops, crop tops and stuff. Like, I would show pictures of what it looks like on the inside, and they all sold right away, too. And he was saying that it's just best not to even do it. And I was like, so what's that? The tin silver solder wire is really stupid expensive right now. So I'm trying to just go for cheaper options, because I'm pretty sure no one wants to even pay as much for it. But yeah, if not, it's like I'm fine with it sitting there, and if I lost weight, I would wear it, because, yeah. But here's pictures. And I'm gonna show screenshots from chatgpt on the comparisons, because, yeah, I use this lead-free solder wire. And so it's known to not be as good, and he was saying that my dad was telling me I need to use the tin silver instead, which is now $60, I believe.